In this video, I'll show you how to set up and use the if-else action. There's many ways to use this specific action, which is this one that I'm talking about. And one of them could be, for example, okay, what to do if they reply to this text? Is the reply positive? Is the reply negative? Etc., etc. And there's also the trigger link. I'll show you all the ways I use it myself, and so every single way I use the if-else action. And so let's get into it. Firstly, let's go ahead and add a trigger link, and you can add your booking page here. And so if you would like to track who is clicking on this booking page, highly recommend to use the trigger link. Okay, so booking page, for example, and then URL, I'm just going to add an example. You go to automation and then you click create workflow, start from scratch. Perfect. Let's just give it a name, if else action. All right. Add your trigger, whatever it is. Let's say running Facebook form ads. Okay. So let's say you're sending people a text. Okay. So this person just requested your offer and they received a text, and you are asking them a question. Okay. And the reply could be positive or negative. Okay. For example, you can ask them, do you want to receive this thing, or would you like to schedule a call, or are you interested in this offer, whatever. Okay, you can track if the reply is positive or negative. Okay, and so how to do that, let me show you exactly how to do that. First, you're gonna add the wait step here, advanced mode, wait for reply. Okay, so let's start with wait for reply, SMS. Let's say the timeout could be 2 hours. Perfect. Click here. You'll add the if else, contact reply, intent type is positive. And you'll add another one, positive reply. You'll add another one, reply. Intent type is negative. All right. So what will happen here, okay, is, okay, this lead received a text from you. Okay, they replied, and whether their reply is positive or negative, it will make sure to sort it here. And so, okay, if their reply is negative, if they reply no, they will go here under negative reply, as you can see. If their reply is positive, they will go here. And so if their reply is positive, you can choose to send them, for example, a text with the booking page, or a text with the available times, right? If their reply is negative, you can do whatever. Okay, I'm just showing you how to use it, because trust me, you can do so many things with this specific action. Okay, so I'll send myself this text, and then I will reply and show you. I'll reply a negative reply. Okay, let's see. Okay, I just received the text. Now let's reply a negative reply. Okay, I will not reply no, I'll reply nope. Okay, to show you that even if you reply something like, it doesn't matter if you say no or another negative word, it will recognize if you are interested or not. Okay, I think you understand that point. See, here's my reply. I just replied. Let's see what happens now. boom, as you can see, this is me. I went under the negative reply. And so I received this text, I replied nope, and I was moved here under negative reply. Now there's the next way I would use this myself, which is the trigger link. And this is a very interesting one, guys. So you would add the trigger link here in your text. And as I told you, this could be your booking page link, okay? And so let's say you have multiple services, okay? Each link is a service, or each link is a subscription. And so let's say you provide 3 different subscriptions, right? Each link is a subscription. You have the first one, you have the premium one, and then you have the elite one, right? And so you have 3 different subscriptions, and people can choose which one they would like to subscribe to, okay? And you can use the trigger link for these things. And so, okay, this is the first one, this is the first link, and this is the second link, okay? And by the way, it doesn't look like a link here, but it will look like a link to them when you send the text. When someone clicks on this link, you would be able to track it under trigger links. And if someone clicks on the second link, you'll be able to track it. So this is a good way to track which service are people more interested in, right? And you can wait for trigger link clicked. And so you can wait until people click on the trigger link, right? And then timeout, of course, I would always add this one, 24 hours, boom. If they click, I would also add the if else, and then here, trigger link clicked is okay. So if they click on the first one, you can choose to do something. If they click on the second one, trigger link clicked is boom. So regardless of where they click, okay, so let's say you have 2 different services or 2 different treatments as a clinic, for example, okay, whatever. I'm just giving you examples. There's so many ways to use this. I'm just showing you how to set it up and how to use it. But you can create a scenario in your head and then implement it in real life. But let's say I have 2 different treatments, okay? If someone shows interest in the first treatment, I can send them a text regarding that treatment, a follow-up text. So this is how I use the if-else action. Join my free community. Inside the free community, there are 2 courses so far, 2 free courses. One on how to run an ad campaign that generates 1 appointment every single day for your business. And the second one is a free snapshot plus walkthrough videos of each piece of the snapshot. And so highly recommend you join the free community below, and see you in the next one.